Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Chic 3Bears cabin on Watauga Lake with kayaks. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Chic 3Bears cabin on Watauga Lake with kayaks in Butler provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi. 27 miles from Tweetsie Trail, 29 miles from Tipton-Haynes Historic Site and 30 miles from George L. Carter Railroad Museum. The vacation home is 7.5 miles from Little Milligan. The vacation home features 3 bedrooms, a flat-screen TV with cable channels and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with a dishwasher, a microwave, a washing machine, a fridge and an oven. Towels and bed linen are provided. Butler is 3 miles from Chic 3Bears cabin on Watauga Lake with kayaks, while Pierce is 3.7 miles away. The nearest airport is Elizabethton Municipal Airport, 23 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.